What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JD Live, man. I'm live in effect, man. Today I'm outside, outside just chilling, uh, at my homie crib. But yeah, man, I'm just chilling. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna get into this topic of this video. I know y'all see the title of the video is how to find inner peace. I was on live yesterday. If you missed the live, oh, that car was going fast. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, my bad, y'all. We gonna get into this topic of this video is how to find inner peace. One of you guys on my live stream yesterday said if I should talk about how to find inner peace, and I got a couple things that will help you guys find inner peace. So before we do, hit the like button for me, comment, subscribe to the channel if you do, and share this video for people out there that want to find inner peace as well. So we gonna get into it, man. Number one, spend time in nature, right? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm outside, the grass is green, it's summertime, it's nice out, people are riding their bikes, birds chirping, the nice air, everything. Just sit out here and just enjoy the nature. That's how you find inner peace. You really get to sit with yourself and think and really be with yourself, and you experience different things, and you really start to know yourself internally. That's how you find inner peace, is by spending more time alone instead of with other people. You got to be alone sometimes to really dig deep inside yourself and figure out what is something that is pretty much figure out your inner peace. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much what I gotta say, man. So spend more time in nature, man. Sometimes you might have to just go outside, sit on a park bench, or go jog outside, or just sit somewhere alone outside and enjoy the nice weather and just be around nature, be around the birds, be around the grass, be around trees, be around life, like just be around it. Don't be stuck in the house. I know it's quarantine. People are starting to come back outside, so y'all be outside, man. Really get in touch with yourself, man. That's number one. Number two, exercise. You need to exercise. Exercise daily or have a routine. Exercise 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 2 days a week, 1 day a week, whatever it is, be consistent. Exercise daily. Exercise does well for the physical body. It does good for the mental, emotionally, relieves stress, has really great benefits, and also just keeps you healthy, helps you, live a long time. It's better for your cardiovascular health, your heart when you're doing cardio, and just build muscle and lose weight, and get on your diet, eat right, eat vegetables. That's another one too, is eating right, eating healthy. That's another one too, how to find inner peace. Because when you eat healthy, you feel good, you feel energized, you feel like you want to go out and do a lot more. But when you eat junk food and sluggish, bad food, you tend to be sluggish. You tend to be, like you don't really want to go out and, do things, because that food, bad food you eating really does affect on you, puts a toll on you. We eating all them greasy fried foods. You gotta let that go, man. Like, it's okay to have a cheat meal every once in a while, but you gotta have self-discipline. You gotta have discipline. You have to really like sit down and look at that dessert that's sitting on the table and just not even take it. Like, I know you want to take it so bad, you're super hungry, you're craving that sugary snack, but you gotta see it and walk away and move on. That's how you obtain discipline, and discipline helps you find that inner peace within yourself that I know you have. I know a lot of y'all probably are going through stuff in life. Life is hard, life is not easy, but we can get through it. Just have hope, have faith, and just keep going and believe in yourself, man. You can do it. You can do it. That's another one. Also, how to find inner peace. Now, this is a really good one. This is a one that I got to start doing more of, but I know for a lot of people it does work, and that's meditation. You should try to meditate sometimes, man. Actually, sit down, cross your legs, and meditate. Close your eyes and just sit there and just really, just do your meditation process. Learn how to meditate. Go on YouTube, look online how to meditate. There's definitely some videos out there if you don't know how to meditate properly. There's some videos, some tutorials, that people that can teach you how to meditate properly, so you can really meditate for real, and really just sit there and just it's just a powerful thing, man, when you meditate. It's hard to explain. I can't really explain the meditation process. I can't really explain it. You just got to do it for yourself and watch it change your whole life and your whole perspective. And watch it just improves your whole entire day, relieves your stress. You're ready to go. You're relieved, and you're ready to accomplish different things by being productive after that. So, you have to meditate as well, man. So those are just a couple things I know off the top of my head that helps me find inner peace, man. Y'all let me know if there's anything out there that you guys do specifically that I didn't mention that helps you find inner peace. Let me know if this helped you, this provided value. Let me know in the comments. If it did, hit the like button. I really appreciate that. Also, comment down below videos y'all want to see me do in the future, man. Any reaction requests, any topic-related videos, self-improvement, anything during the summer. I'm dropping bangers, so y'all help me out and send me some videos that I can do, and I'm going to do that for y'all, man. But I appreciate y'all also support. I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? We're going to keep this journey going as long as we can. And, yeah, that's about it, man. Y'all stay safe out there. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm going to see y'all the next one. Peace.